Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to take out or remove the head unit from a Suzuki Swift. You'll need two tools. That's a star-shaped screwdriver and a prying tool. Firstly, you want to take out this trim panel right here. We'll start from this side. As you can see, the trim panel is only held on by clips. Next, you'll need the screwdrivers to take out two screws from right here and right here. This radio is held by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. So you're gonna want to take out the top ones first. Well, it's out. Now that we have the radio out, these are your power and speaker cables. This is your USB cable. This is your radio antenna. And this is your aux, and this is for your steering wheel controls. So you're just going to have to unplug them. This little tab here that you squeeze. And that's out. There's a tab on the top of this one. Tab as well on this one. Tab on this one. On this one, the tab is here on the side. Just squeeze it. And there you have it, guys. This is how to remove the head unit on your Suzuki Swift.